Hello and welcome to our Nurse Mentoring in Montana Spotlight video tutorial. This is Kaylin Mock and I will be walking you through the process of how our videos will be produced. So I'm going to be using a program called WebEx, and it's very presenter friendly. All you have to do is fill out the information that is listed in this PowerPoint. So you will be receiving this PowerPoint as a presenter. But if you are not PowerPoint friendly, you're more than welcome to just email me the information or send it in a Word document, and I can plug in all the information into the PowerPoint for the presentation. But what we will do is schedule a time that works for you where we can do the recording. And all you have to do is call in, and I will be doing the recording and editing on my end. So say for some reason there's a cough or something, or you want to start over on a certain section, I can do that on my end. After we are all done, we can edit it out and make it the way that you want it to be for the video. So I'll go ahead and jump right in. I'll start the presentation video off by sharing a little bit about MontanaCon, Montana's Action Coalition. The videos actually will be hosted on the MontanaCon website and shared through MontanaCon's Facebook as well. And so I want our viewers to know that and to know a little bit more about MontanaCon, and then we'll jump right into information about you. So who are you? Where do you work? What is your role there? What is your role in the nurse mentoring program there? And you're more than welcome to send as many or put in as many photos as you would like. The more photos, better. That's completely fine. If not, if you don't want to send any either, that's also fine. So where are you at in Montana? I will update this map that you see here of where your location of your facility is. And a little bit of the location spotlight just to give the viewers an idea of what your town is like, large or small, what resources that are available there. Is there a university? What types of jobs? Anything that you would like to just share a snippet about your town. Then we'll jump into information about your healthcare facility. Here would be a great place to include at least a logo if you do not have a photo that you'd like to share. A description of your healthcare facility and what services are offered. Then we'll advance into the mentoring program. So how did the mentoring program get started? And you'll see on these bullet points, we have 4 slides of bullet points. We'll be using the same bullet points that for you to fill in for every Spotlight video that we have. So we're just trying to keep a few of the questions consistent so that the information that's shared is consistent throughout the spotlights. But you're more than welcome to share a little bit more information, or if you don't want to answer a certain question, by all means, you do not have to. But as far as starting the mentoring program goes, how you identified the need, what the goal was, how you started, who needed to be involved to get started, what resources were used in the beginning, and who the mentoring program is for. More details about the program regarding content and delivery. Oops, sorry about that. Content and delivery. Qualifications to be a mentor or a mentee. Were there any changes to job description or the wage in order to participate? And what the length of the program is for your particular mentoring program. Outcomes. Have you tracked or do you track any outcomes from the mentoring program? Was there a change in retention or job satisfaction? Anything like that we'd love to include just to be able to share. Do you have any plans for the future for the program? Anything that you might want to change as the program moves forward? And what are your lessons learned? So one of the things that we've heard a lot across the state is that we don't necessarily know what our neighbors are doing, and this is a great opportunity to share resources from our own state of the incredible work that you all are doing in nurse mentoring. So maybe I'm interested in starting a mentoring program, but I don't quite know how to start. Hopefully these videos will be helpful, or maybe I've had a program that has been in existence for a really long time, but I heard a tidbit of information that can help me improve the mentoring program that is already in existence. So sharing those challenges and successes and lessons learned, I think is really important so that we can be honest with each other and help out our fellow Montanans that are trying to do great work as well. And then lastly, questions. This is just going to be a contact information slide since this is not a live video where we can do Q&A, but I'm hoping that you'd be willing to share your contact information if viewers want to be able to reach out to ask more detailed questions. If not, completely fine as well, but this slide is safe for that information here. And then this is the last slide that just has more information about Montana Con's website and Facebook and Twitter accounts. As I said before, we'll be hosting the videos on our Montana Con website. We have a tab for that that's set up, and then also we'll be sharing them on our Facebook. We hear that people like information that is easily accessible and quick to get to, so we're thinking like 10-15 minutes. If you go over that, that's fine, but just short enough to be able to get the information out there and what's going on in your mentoring program. And again, those people are able to connect with you about the more detailed questions if they have any. So hopefully that sums it up in a nutshell of how the Spotlight video will be recorded and the content. If you have any questions beyond this, I am more than happy to help answer those. So thank you again so much for sharing the great work that you are doing and your willingness to participate. We appreciate it.